Students, today I am here with Landforms of the Earth Part 2. In earlier class, we have learned the different names of the landforms. Can you tell me some of them? Yes, mountains, hills, plateaus, island, valley. Yes, come on, let's continue with the chapter. Plateau. The plateau is a broad, flat land which is higher than the plains with steep sides. Much of the southern part of India is a plateau. Can you see this, students? This part is higher than the plain and it is a flat land. It doesn't have a peak. It is a flat land and it is mostly found in a south side of India. Desert. Large areas of dry land without any vegetation are known as deserts. You know what is vegetation? Do you remember? Yes, trees and plants are known as vegetations. Now in the desert area there are no plants, no trees. There are only sand. Can you see in this picture? Deserts can be hot or cold. The hot deserts, Thar lies in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, the name of the desert is Thar and it is very hot. Sand dunes. What are sand dunes? Sand dunes are sand hills created by the wind, are found in the desert. Means these are the hill of sand and it is created by the wind. When wind blows, the sand flew and they collect in one place and make a hill. That hill is known as sand dunes. Deserts are extremely hot during the day and very cold at night. Life in the desert is difficult. During the daytime there is a sun and with the sun the sand gets hot and the atmosphere is very hot. And at night the sand gets cool and the night is very cool over there. See the vegetations we found in the desert. Cactus. Have you seen the cactus? It is a plant with the thorns on it. And second one is thorny bushes. Thorn means kaante. Kaante wali jhadi. Island. See, such a beautiful. All around water and in a mid there is a land with vegetation. Can you see? This is known as island. A piece of land surrounded by water is known as an island. It can lie within a river, a sea or an ocean. The islands of India, the famous islands of India. Now let's study. The Andaman and Nicobar in India are a group of islands which lie in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal means east side of the India. And island is Andaman and Nicobar. The Lakshadweep group of islands in India lie in the Arabian Sea and it is to the west of the India. Can you see in the picture? The Bay of Bengal. And in Bay of Bengal, which island is there? The Andaman and Nicobar island. And in the west side, there is a sea that is named Arabian Sea. So, which island is there? The Lakshadweep and Manike Island. This is a group of island. Plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land near a sea or a river. Where we live, students, is a plain area. We live in a plain area. It is a large stretches of flat island. Features of the northern plains. In India, the northern plains are formed by the deposits such as alluvium. Alluvium means deposits of clay and silt left behind when the flood water recedes. Fertile soil, most densely populated. Coastal plains. The fertile plains along the sea coast are called coastal plains. What are the coastal plains? The fertile plains, the plains which are very fertile and it is along the sea is known as coastal plains. Feature of coastal plains, they are ideal for farming and fishing. They are also suitable areas for ports and harbors. Ports means station of ship is known as ports. Review of land forms. Now let's review what we have studied in this chapter. Mountains. What are mountains? High, steep, rocky land, plains, flat, grassy land that stretches for miles. Valleys, low land in between mountains. Plateaus, steep sloped land with a flat top. Desert, large dry land with no vegetation. Hill, highland smaller than mountain. Higher than plain and smaller than mountain. Islands, land that is surrounded by water. Thank you, students.